Hello, Abecedarians. I'm going to go over Cycle 1, Week 6, New Grammar. The math, we're going to stick with the tune that is on the CD and the app. And we're going to do the math hopscotch game, which is basically a piece of paper that has the number written on it, but it's made up of the numbers in that skip counting for the week. So we're going to kind of move like a little object or just point our finger as we sing the song. For Latin, it's the same as last week, so we're going to keep that all the same. For science, the question this week is, what are the major groups of vertebrates? And for fish, we're going to go like this. So we're basically going to act like each of these groups. So fish, and then for amphibians, we're going to hop like a frog, like this. For reptiles, we are going to stay upright, but we're going to pretend to be a snake, and we're going to slither, and we're going to go sss. For that's reptiles. For mammals, we're going to rock a baby. And for birds, we're going to flap our wings like a bird. For English prepositions, we're going to do the same song and hand motions that we've been doing. The new hand motions for this week are, let me see if I can kind of prop this up. For down, we're going to go like this. Down. For during, we're going to go like this. During. Except. For. And from. And the tune at this part goes, I don't know, remember it exactly. I don't know if I can play it, but anyways, it goes down, during, except, and then it goes for, from, like that. Okay, for timeline, for India's Mauryan Empire, we're gonna go India's Mauryan Empire. For Mayans of Mesoamerica, we're going to make an M, like kind of like the McDonald's arches. Mayans of Mesoamerica. For Punic Wars, we got a sword. We're going to say Punic Wars. And then for Rome conquers Greece. Rome conquers Greece. For Roman dictator Julius Caesar, we're going to go Roman dictator Julius Caesar. And then for Caesar Augustus in the Pax Romana, we're going to go Caesar Augustus in the Pax Romana. This means peace, so we're going to say Pax Romana. For John the Baptist, we're going to pretend like we're baptizing somebody. So, in the Pax Romana, John the Baptist. So we're going to do that. So for history, it's tell me about some ancient Greeks. And I'm going to teach you the hand motions real quick, and then I'll do it with the song. I'm not super great at the song yet because this is still the summertime for me. This is when I'm recording is in the summer, so I haven't really learned all of this yet. This is a new cycle for me. So Homer, a famous poet. We're going to pretend to write something. Pythagoras, a famous mathematician. And we're going to count on our fingers. Socrates, a famous philosopher. And we're going to kind of be the thinker, that famous statue. And we're going to kind of go like this. A famous philosopher, like we're contemplating. And Archimedes, a famous inventor. We're going to pretend to mold something with our hands like we're making something. Shaped, we're going to point west. Western ideas, like a light bulb. Go like this too if it's easier. Ancient Greek city-states were among the first democracies. And we're going to do weighing scales because that's a symbol for democracy is fairness and the weighing of scales. Okay, so let's see if I can get that play that right now. Bear with me just for a second.
Week 6. Tell me about some ancient Greeks. Homer, a famous poet. Pythagoras, a famous mathematician. Socrates, a famous philosopher. And Archimedes, a famous inventor, shaped Western ideas. Ancient Greek city-states were among the first democracies.
Homer, a famous poet. Pythagoras, a famous mathematician. Socrates, a famous philosopher, and Archimedes, a famous inventor, shaped Western ideas. Great city-states were among the first democracies. Homer, a famous poet, Pythagoras, a famous mathematician, Socrates, a famous philosopher, and Archimedes, a famous inventor, shaped Western ideas. Ancient Greek city-states were among the first democracies.
All right, since there's a little time there at the end, you can go first democracies if you want. I'm just kind of realizing that now that might be kind of a nice way to time the song. All right, for geography, I have a tune I'm going to use from someone else that I found on YouTube. And we are going to point or, trace or circle the areas or something with a dry erase marker as we sing this tune. So I'm going to go ahead and play it, and I'm going to point to the places as I play the video. So let me find it. Here it is.
At AshleyHomestore.com, you can shop all of our must-have furniture and mattress deals. You can also get so much more.
Geography,
Oh,
week 6.
I have it on slow motion. Hold on just a second, guys.
Geography, week 6. Ancient Greece.
Ancient Greece, Greece, Aegean Sea, Macedonia, Crete and Rhodes. Ancient Greece, Greece, Aegean Sea, Macedonia, Crete and Rhodes.
All right, so that's what we're going to do. See you guys next week.